Welcome to my koi pond. It's 8 years old now, and it's the best thing I've ever done to my house. Got a little algae growing on the main waterfall, splitting it. Very common. It's mainly some duckweed and other plants that are growing up in the bog. Love this time of year. Had a little problem with some yellow jackets, so we filled their hive up. Couldn't use bee spray on top of the koi pond, so waterfall foam it was. My pitcher plant bug. There's also sundews in there. Love the sundews. We're coming down to koi market in the next week and pick up some lured fish. And I just noticed today I got at least a dozen, maybe 2 baby koi swimming around. They're about 1 inch long. There's 1,000,001 places for fish to hide in here. See if I can find one. Yeah, there's a couple of them. Yeah, they just went hiding. They saw me first. There's one little guy back there. There's babies everywhere. You can't really see these here. This is the turn from the blue heron. I put a net going across the top at the back of the pond. They rest. I have some cables going overhead. It's a lot more than I would like, that's for sure. But keeps them protected. I do my weeding in sections. This one's next. The obedient plant and mint are anything but obedient. We got a hibiscus growing in the lower bog, this area here, this whole area, all throughout here. This is all keystone bog, no aqua blocks. The hibiscus does very well. And then this is my matrix bog up in the back here. The impatiens are just grown basically right in the water. My cardinal never holds up well against heavy rain, which we just had, and knocked them all over. The hummingbirds don't mind. Well, that's my pond in a nutshell. I do have a 3,000-gallon cistern underneath this area over here, underneath the dead tree. That was actually installed there as a dead tree. Don't want roots growing down into the lower area. And then here's the pond. That's it in a nutshell. Happy ponding.